We are now here sa paanan ng Caraballo Mountains, which is just 10-minute ride from the town proper. Alam niyo ba na yung name ng ilog na ito is actually derived from the word dipalo, which is yung traditional way ng paglalaba. Alam niyo yun, yung ilalagay yung damit sa bato tapos papaluin ng kahoy. Yon, ganun daw yung ginagawa ng mga residents dati dito. Pero ngayon, this river serves as the water source for the residents. Nandito tayo ngayon sa taas ng Lincupan Hills. After nyong mag-picnic or mag-chika with friends, you might want to end the day looking at the beautiful sunset. And it is truly breathtaking. To sum up our San Quintin adventure, let's fill up our gastro craving with bibingkang latik ng San Quintin. Pero alam niyo ba na ang bayan ng San Quintin hindi magpapahuli dahil meron din silang sariling version ng longganisa.
Dito po kasi yung bagong katay po ang ginagamit namin ng longganisa po kaya masarap po siya. Bagong katay po siya.
What I like about this longganisa is yung perfect blend ng flavors. And yun, hindi